home should be a place you can't wait to come back to. And if you're replacing your windows, the glass you choose can make a big difference to how it feels. It helps keep indoor heat in and your home secure, affects how light flows through it, and can even make the most of free energy from outside. So make your home as comfortable as it can be with Planitherm high-performance glazing. From the world-class manufacturer behind iconic glazing, it's the UK's leading energy-efficient glass. With special coatings across the range that help stop indoor heat escaping. You get up to 63% better energy efficiency than older style double glazing. Our energy standard and comfort glazing options capture and make use of the sun's warmth. Comfort Plus helps limit and control it. So very sunny rooms, or those with lots of glazing, feel just right and don't overheat. To protect your family so you feel safer at home, Comfort and Comfort Plus glazing have a transparent layer that make them tougher to break. They block out up to 20% more noise than older style double glazing too. Making your home a peaceful respite from the world outside. And keeping in noise from inside so you don't disturb others either. And you'll find fade protection for furniture, curtains and floor coverings on selected Planitherm glazing options too. We've grouped these features into 3 packages: Energy Standard, Comfort and Comfort Plus. It's easy to find the Planitherm glazing solution for you to fit any style of window frame. You may not see the difference, but you'll certainly feel it.